E R B.
This next song will be our
Can I have something?
sharing.
We also teach people how to share.
Yeah, but our next song is actually our last song for tonight, and you guys have been a really great crowd. And before we play this next song, this next piece, we actually are going to give out some awards, and these awards are for people who've been helping us to be the Calm Shoe Project. New York just like that.
Code.
Yeah, the first one goes to an organization. We wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for them and the Ice Open Mic. And this one goes to C.H.A.T, Center for Hmong.
Due to some technical difficulties with the printing machines, they kind of cut off the ECT on the concert project.
Are these guys the greatest? Yeah.
How much did she pay you guys?
Our next one, I haven't seen her or them tonight, but our next one goes to Natural Blush Photography, which they do really good photography. They did photography artwork for this album. Is Elmo Lee or Millie Lee in the house? Elmo actually moved to Minnesota just a couple months ago, and if you guys want some good photos, go to myspace.com/naturalblush. Natural Blush. Yeah, but and last but not least, this one goes to a very important person. She was the one who designed our artwork for us, and the CD would not be the same without the artwork. So if you're a musician out there, or just somebody who loves music and wants to make a CD, make sure you get a really good CD cover, because it'll be worth the look and
The
worth
shoes.
Yeah. This one goes to Miss Pachia Zong, and she comes all the way to us from Eau Claire tonight. And as Pachia Zong's in the house, please step forward.
Pachia Creations!
Pachia Creations. Pachia. Yeah, so if you guys want to visit Pachia, go to myspace.com/Pachia01. Right, Pachia?
Yep.
Yeah. All right. And if you guys want to visit us, you guys go to myspace.com/The Calm Shoe Project.